Same as always, just get a nice little fire started, build it up slowly. Okay. Tonight's cook up. I did actually do this cook up a few months ago. I went away with Richard to Crowdy Bay, and due to some issues I've had with my hard drive, I lost that footage. It's now accessible, but unfortunately the cook up ended up being in the dark. So what I'm going to do is I'll redo it now. And what it is, it's chicken wrapped in Pancetta with a apple and carrot on the side, cooked in apple cider. Right, so just going to organise this a little bit. As I said, fairly simple one. Sounds flash, but it's fairly simple. Just going to get the plate nice and hot over there on the fire. I've got the fire started. Just put the rubbish off to the side for a second. So I've got some pancetta, chicken breast, apple, some carrots, and some apple cider. Now the pancetta's sliced very thin and it's already breaking apart, unfortunately. So just lay your pancetta out so it overlaps each other. I'm just bringing this up the camera. So I've just got the pancetta laid out. Grab your chicken breast. What I might do with that is just square it off. And all you want to do is just roll it. Just like that. So your chicken's fully covered. Now just leave that covered here for a few minutes. Just wash the knife. Got a garbage bag here. Get rid of all just the skin of the carrot. Just want to cut the carrot and the apple in the cubes, probably about 1 centimetre square, roughly. Doesn't matter. Carrot's done. Do the apple as well. So as I said, I did actually do this probably about 2 months ago now. Turned out really well. However, we ended up filming in the dark and you couldn't really see it. So I figured I'd just do it again by myself. Just move that chicken off to the side. There's no exact science to this, just do whatever feels comfortable to you. There's the meal prepared pretty much. The plate should be hot by now. A bit of oil on that, cook the chicken, keep an eye on that, keep turning it, and then probably the last 5 minutes maybe 7 minutes, get your little fry pan hot, put your carrots and apple in that with the apple cider. Let that cook through. meal done. Right, just a little bit of oil on the hot plate. It's nice and hot now. I'll grab that chicken, get it on there, sear it, turn it a couple of times, and then just go from there. Just going to put a couple of full carrots off to the side as well. I've just split them in quarters. They're a fair sized carrot. A little bit of oil on that, a little bit of oil on the chicken. This will probably take 25 minutes to cook, roughly, depending on the size of your chicken breast and how hot you've got your fire. So just monitor it. Don't be scared to move it off the fire a bit. Bit of salt and pepper on there as well while it's cooking. And then in the fry pan, I'm going to put some butter. I've decided I'm going to mince up some garlic. So I'm going to cook that for a bit, and then I'll add the apples, the carrots, and the apple cider. Right, so I've just got the chicken off to the side of the fire a little bit. The carrot's pretty much done and ready. Just going to put the garlic into the butter now. Just let the garlic cook through. You don't want to burn it. You just want to get it to soften. So the carrots are done, and the chicken's just simmering away there. I'll turn the chicken again in a second. I'll let the garlic go for another minute or two, and then I'll add the apples and the carrot and the apple cider. Okay, just going to add the apples. Apple cider. Half a bottle, I guess. And just for cooking times, I've just started my second bourbon. You just want that to, just to get the apples soft. Those carrots are cooked. Just leave them off to the edge of the heat. Rightio, the chicken's cooked. Didn't bring a spoon out with me that I could pick all this up easily, so just do it this way. What I'm also just thinking about doing is just adding a little bit of mint leaf over the top of it. I've got a pre-packaged one there. So cooking time, probably about 3 bourbons. I've got the big glass tonight, so depending on how strong or how big you like your bourbon. Other than that, half hour. So as I said, I've got a little bit of lightly dried mint. You might just lightly sprinkle it. So there we go. Chicken breast wrapped in pancetta with apple and carrot cooked in apple cider and carrots off to the side. Right guys, hope you enjoyed that one. It really wasn't that hard, a little bit of thought. I can tell you the aroma coming off it is next level. So give it a go on your next trip. I'm going to turn the camera off now and I'm going to jump right in and have a nice feed.